What if the universe is hiding a secret just 40 light-years away? A rocky, Earth-sized world in the TRAPPIST-1 system could hold the answer, and it's all about the air it breathes. Astronomers are buzzing over new research suggesting this alien planet might be wrapped in a nitrogen-rich atmosphere, a potential sign of conditions ripe for life. But here's where it gets controversial. Could this discovery redefine our search for extraterrestrial neighbors? Or are we chasing shadows in the cosmic dark? Let's dive in. The TRAPPIST-1 system, a cosmic neighborhood 40 light-years from Earth, that's roughly 240 trillion miles, has 7 rocky planets orbiting a single star. 2 recent studies published in the astrophysical journal Letters focus on one standout, TRAPPIST-1e. Using NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, scientists observed how this planet interacts with starlight during transits, moments when it passes in front of its star. The results hint at a nitrogen-dominated atmosphere similar to Earth's, though more research is needed to confirm. Why does this matter? Water is the holy grail of astrobiology, and an atmosphere is essential to keep it from evaporating into space. TRAPPIST-1e orbits in the so-called habitable zone, where temperatures might allow liquid water to exist. But this is no ordinary Goldilocks scenario. The planet's star is a hyperactive red dwarf, spewing flares that could strip away atmospheres. Yet the data suggests TRAPPIST-1e might have survived, raising questions. Is this a fluke or a cosmic blueprint for habitability? The James Webb Telescope's role here is nothing short of revolutionary. By analyzing how the planet filters starlight, scientists can decode its atmospheric secrets. Imagine shining a flashlight through a prism. Different gases absorb specific colors, leaving fingerprints in the light. For TRAPPIST-1e, the absence of hydrogen and carbon dioxide, common in hostile atmospheres, points toward a nitrogen-rich mix. Ryan McDonald, an exoplanet expert at the University of St. Andrews, puts it plainly. If we see no color variation, it's just a bare rock. But if the light bends just right, well, that's where the magic happens. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. This isn't the first time scientists have gotten excited about alien atmospheres. Titan, Saturn's moon, has a nitrogen-rich air and a hidden ocean. Yet its methane seas make it a very different kind of habitable. And Mars, once thought to host life, now has a thin, CO2-dominated atmosphere, a reminder that presence alone isn't enough. As Carolyn Pialet-Goreeb, a researcher at the University of Chicago, notes, we're still figuring out what makes an atmosphere truly life-friendly. Earth's nitrogen-rich air is just one example, maybe not the only one. The road ahead is full of challenges. TRAPPIST-1 star is a noisy, active beast, complicating data analysis. MacDonald and his team spent over a year sifting through Webb's observations to tease out TRAPPIST-1e's secrets. Future studies will focus on 15 more transits of this planet and its siblings, TRAPPIST-1F, G, and H, to build a clearer picture. And this isn't just about one planet. The search for atmospheres is a gateway to bigger questions. What does life need to survive? How do planets evolve? As Pialet-Goreeb says, we haven't yet confirmed an atmosphere on any Earth-like exoplanet. That makes every discovery a step closer to rewriting our cosmic story. But here's the twist. What if we're looking in the wrong places? The TRAPPIST-1 system's planets are all tidally locked, meaning one side always faces their star. Could this extreme environment still host life in unexpected forms? And if nitrogen is the key ingredient, does that mean life elsewhere might thrive on completely different chemistry? So what do you think? Is TRAPPIST-1e a hopeful sign in our quest for alien life, or are we still missing the bigger picture? Share your thoughts, because the universe's greatest mystery is just getting started.